the discovery. It is said that at the beginning of the 20th century, the vicar of wherein, Father Cipriano Caetano Dias, in his dream saw a cross whose pedestal was puckered with holes and steps leading to it. On making inquiries about it in the village, a Kurbi from Baraddicho told him that there was a similar cross on a hill centuries back, which must be in the ruins at the moment as nobody went up there. The priest then made his way to the hill and found it lying under a thick cover of trees. He got the place cleaned up and restored the cross and also constructed a small chapel close to it. The cross is well known for its miraculous powers. Down the centuries, devotees, irrespective of their religion, have been coming here in deep faith, seeking for favors, such as childless couples seeking a child, people with different ailments, etc., asking to be cured, and they return back to thank God for the favors received. In the past, there was no tarred road to reach the cross and the chapel. One had to alight at the bottom of the hill and walk uphill to the chapel. Today, there is a tarred road constructed by the government that leads to the foot of the chapel. Recently, a new chapel has been built here, replacing the old one with a parochial house. The Baraddicho Khuris, famous all over, draws people from different faiths. They come with deep faith to experience peace of mind and also to ask for favors for themselves or their families or friends. This cross has never let a devotee down.